a what I eat in a day video. This is something a little different, more casual, vlog style, so you guys can have an idea of what I actually eat during the week when I'm not traveling. It's just meant to give you guys some inspiration of what maybe you guys can do at home too, and just like a little insight on my daily life and habits. So hope you guys enjoy. So one of my favorite breakfasts is having a breakfast tostada, and I usually add homemade refried black beans, my favorite cashew crema that I always have in my fridge. If you want the recipe, here's the link. I added some vegan chorizo on top, and then of course an avocado, some hemp seeds, and because I'm a millennial, I added a just egg fried egg on top to make it perfect. And because I cannot have breakfast without coffee in the morning, this is my next obsession. It's a Mexican mocha with the Drink Renewed Chaga Chino. It's chaga mushroom powder, which is a lot of great adaptogens. It's a great superfood. You should definitely read about it. But I add cocoa powder, cinnamon, vanilla, a pinch of cayenne, and then of course some soy milk or almond milk or oat milk, whatever you like. And then, oh my gosh, it's so good. Now here's the taste test. When I say this has become my addiction, it's become my addiction. This is so good. It hits a spot every single time. By the way, I got this little mug in Oaxaca when I went. Love it. It just makes the vibe and experience that much better. Mexican mocha and a mug from Mexico. For dinner, I usually like to have a hearty salad. So for dinner, I'm craving tons of vegetables. So I've got a lot of leafy greens, a lot of minced up vegetables. I have some organic edamame mung bean fettuccine. This brand of chicken nuggets is delicious. It's vegan. It's called UnMeat brand. I'll send you guys a link in the description box. And then of course, peanut sauce. So this is what it looks like all together. This salad was so filling, like, oh my gosh, with the mung bean noodles. It had tons of fiber and protein. It was delicious. And I have to say that those UnMeat chicken nuggets, my carnivorous brother loved them. He was just like, where can we buy more of these? So just FYI. Okay, now going for a walk because I'm really full. So I like to walk at least like 15 to 20 minutes after like a big meal because it helps digestion and it helps prevent your insulin spike. So yeah, just a little tip there. It's really good to just walk off and help your digestion a little bit after a big meal. The next morning, I had to film some content for my work, which included this delicious golden milk latte chia pudding. It's looking delicious. So let me show you guys which golden latte this is that I am currently obsessed with. So this is the golden milk that I've been using. I like it because it's not super sweet and it's not super strong with turmeric. Well, I only put 1 tablespoon. A little bit goes a long way, so 1 tablespoon is definitely something. This is from Country Life Natural Foods. I'll leave a link in the description of where you guys can get it. Another way I like to include chia pudding in my diet is by just making a parfait with putting a bunch of fruit on top. So I like to balance my breakfast between savory and sweet. For lunch, I decided to make some tofu ricotta, and I have some vegan pesto from Trader Joe's. So I made this delicious sandwich, which, oh my goodness, the lemon herb seasoning on the tofu ricotta is just amazing. And then I got these chips from the vegan night market the night before, and they're amazing. They remind me of my childhood. I had some lasagna also left over for dinner because I taught a cooking class the day before, so definitely had to enjoy this. Good morning. So in the mornings I usually like to work out, but because last night I had 2 hours of dance practice, usually I'll wake up the next day just done. I also went out dancing last night after class, so I'm gonna be doing some stretching. So this is kind of like a PSA. If you have a vegan diet, if you've adopted a plant-based lifestyle, make sure you still exercise a lot. Exercise is a huge part of your health. So yeah, just, throwing that out there. Make sure you exercise, move your body. P.S. If you want some really good workout videos, I suggest following Pamela Rife on YouTube. That's who I follow, and yeah, she gets me every time. So I'm making breakfast with some of this morning. I love that. Look at the fiber content on this. Fiber and protein content. It's pretty good. Made with whole wheat flour, so excited for that. I'm gonna make a little mushroom omelet and add the famous fly by Ching sauce. So let's make this happen. sauce. Let's put that all on here. If you guys haven't tried this, it's freaking amazing. It's become viral for a reason. Of course, just fold it over. There you have it. Breakfast wrap. All right, this tastes this. This is actually the first time I do this, so I'm actually very excited. I made the right choice. It's so good. I also added cinnamon to my coffee this morning. I always add cinnamon to coffee. If you've never tried it, do it. So I'm dicing up some onions right now because we're having pizza night because we watched the Chef's Table Pizza on Netflix. So I'm about to make the marinara sauce. Look, my mascara is running because of these onions. If you guys have tips, I've heard little tips and tricks of how to not make yourself cry with onions. Like some people have said get the knife wet or something, but I'm curious. If you have any tips, let me know. So grilling some onions and garlic, and then you're gonna make our own sauce with this. San Marzanos are the best for sauces. So I added the onion to the tomato. I hope you guys liked the video, and let me know if there's anything that I made that you guys would want to try yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you want to support the channel, and let me know what other kind of content you would like to see. I'm always thinking of different ideas when I'm not traveling, what I can do to fill in the gaps. So I just really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you guys later on Rated V.